Yeah, yeah.
Yo, I do all these rhymes, cause I'm the best rapper. And I don't do drugs, cause drugs are bad, and they make you sad. So when you do drugs, just think about that, cause you can't do them or you'll die. That's not good, cause then your homies cry. And I do not like to cry, cause that's not cool. And crying is not good.
Golden like my home rob, now we're trying to do a telephone ball. Now we in jail cell when I play in the same time when it's trying to explain. Motherfucking sound is no game. Yeah. Crying ain't cool. When I cry, I feel very sad. It ain't fun feeling to be feeling. That's why I am chilling on with my brothers on my collar. I was public side. Yeah.
Crying ain't cool, it is not cool. Cool is when you do not cry, and instead you go up and do crime. Just like Felipe, he did a bunch of bad stuff. Now he doing 20 years in the pen for his bad stuff. Or be like Papa J, going 60 on the road. You crash into the pole, and the pole went no. The pole went down, and so did he. He's in the crime facilities, just like me, cause I went in, just like my best friend Smoke Man, aka Arson Man. Serving 3 years in a jail cell, yeah.